Alright, our goal today is to learn how to set up a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator, and then we'll be doing some continuing videos on some text tricks I want you guys to learn on how to make a compound path, use the exclude tool, and an offset path. So we're going to start off this series with first, how do I create my artboards in Adobe Illustrator so that they will work on any of the machines that we have set up in our Fab Lab. So what we want to do first is across the top are, these are called tabs, and we're going to choose the File tab, and we're going to come down and click on New. When we do that, this screen is going to come up. Currently we have Adobe Illustrator CS6 in the classroom, and so it's going to look a little different than this is, because this is Adobe Illustrator CC, which we will be getting soon. So that's why I'm not going to change the video, because I know that we're going to be having that update pretty soon here. So I'll get it to look more like yours by just clicking my More Settings button, so yours will look more like this. Okay, so up here in the name bar, we're going to type in our first name underscore our last name underscore the name of our project. And so for this project, it's going to be text tricks. Okay, so first name underscore last name underscore text tricks. Under profile, for you guys, when you click this drop down, you will see one that says basic RGB. We don't have that option in here for Illustrator CC, so I can come down here and open up the advanced settings by clicking this little arrow right here, and I can change my color mode from CMYK to RGB, which is what I want it to be, because the laser cutter can only see files that are done in RGB mode, and so it's best practice just to go ahead and make all of our files that way. Then we don't have to worry about whether it's going to be read on the laser cutter or the vinyl cutter or the CNC machine. Okay. Once I do that, for you guys right here by number of artboards, it's probably going to have a 1, and we actually want to change that for this project to 3. So we're going to hit the up arrow twice, or you can type in the number 3 there. And then we're going to come here to units, and on your screen it's going to be set to points, and we want to change that because all of our units for those 3 machines are going to be in inches. And so we're going to change our units to inches. In our width and our height box, we're going to put a 3 in both of those. You do not have to put in the IN for inches, because it knows that already, because we told it that the units were inches. So you can just type in a 3 and it will automatically add the IN for you. Okay. Once you have changed all of those settings to what they should be, you're going to click OK on your screen. On the new version, it'll be Create Document, and it's going to bring up all 3 of your artboards that we just created. Okay, so then we're going to come up here and we are going to save this, because the first thing we always do after we create a new file is save it. So go to File, Save As. For you guys, it'll say your ID number over here for your W drive. You're going to click it, and then double click on that 2019-20 Fab Lab folder we made, and click the Save button. You'll notice that your file is already named here because we named it when we made it. So we're going to click Save. We'll get this pop up right here. We're not going to make any changes on it, so we're just going to click the OK button. Once we've done that, we're going to get started with our first text trick on artboard number 1 up here, which is our compound path, and we will do that in the next video.